Well, hello there, all you wonderful people. I'm Jim from Jim's Kitchen. I bet you've been wondering, beef sure is fun, but how come there aren't more beef desserts?
I've been craving a popsicle for such a long time. What? Where's the beef?
Where's the beef?
Where's the beef? And I'd like to find that beef in my fudge. Me and my pals Anna from Cooking the Books and Sherry from Cooking with Sherry are coming up with desserts that contain beef. I'm doing a beef fudge, and it's a vintage recipe that exists. And it's supposed to taste good. Let's try it and find out. I just got some roast beef from the deli. I'm not going to cook an entire roast just to make some fudge. But you know what? We'll see how it tastes with this deli roast beef. We're going to stick it in the food processor. We need around a half a cup of processed beef. In a pan, I'll need to melt a stick of butter with a can of evaporated milk and 2 cups of sugar. I'm going to let them cook together for a few minutes and stir it often. I've cooked it for about 5 minutes. Time to remove it from the heat and add some items, including a cup of chocolate chips and 1 cup of marshmallow fluff. Oh. Stir until melted. I'm going to add a touch of vanilla. Then comes that delicious beef. And I'm going to mix it until it thickens. I'm just going to pour it into a prepared baking dish and allow it to cool. Beef fudge! Well, I kinda messed up. I should have boiled it instead of just cooked it for 5 minutes, like you're making candy. So it didn't turn out as hard fudge. It's very soft fudge. But I'm not running to the store to get more ingredients to make beef fudge, because what if it stinks? I'm gonna find out now. Beef fudge. Okay, it's absolutely awesome. I don't notice beef at all in the fudge. I just notice an unusual texture in there, which must be the beef. Maybe there is a bit of smokiness in the fudge. But it's great. Beef definitely enhanced this fudge. Someday I may have to make it the right way, because I want to try this beef fudge again. Thank you so much for watching me here on Jim's Kitchen. And you know what? I'm not doing this video alone. I'm doing this with my friends, and they're making beef desserts too. Isn't that great? So go check out Anna and go check out Sherry and see what they made. Thanks for watching. Bye. How was Rome split in two? With a pair of Caesars.